Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how a student will navigate inside of a MyLab Nutrition connected course. It's connected to Blackboard, and so we're going to use Blackboard as our model. And the student goes into their course. This assumes that the instructor has already created links to the mastering resources. And they'll click on the links that take them to the mastering resources. The mastering resources may open in a new tab aside from the Blackboard tab, which you can see right above here. So our Blackboard course, it has now opened into our Pearson side of things. And I'm just going to use temporary access for right now. I have now crossed over into the Mastering Nutrition area, and I can go to the course home, which will show me any assignments that are coming up, or I can go over to My Diet Analysis. I currently have 2 assignments that are now due or available to me, which is Introduction to Mastering, and there's a My Diet Analysis Personalized Dietary Analysis Fat Intake assignment. Now, if I want to go to the My Diet Analysis to actually create my profile, I click on the My Diet Analysis area on the left-hand side. Then I'll click on the My Diet Analysis link. I will then follow the instructions to create a profile and start tracking my diet and my activity and then creating my reports. Once I've created my diet tracker and I've done a 3-day allotment, and then I went and I did my activity, and I did my activity tracking, then I can go to my reports. Once I go to my report area, on the left-hand side are all the reports. And so if I wanted to do an actual intakes versus recommended intakes report, I click on it. I can annotate it if I'd like, or I just click submit. So I'm going to submit my report, click OK, and now if we look at the My Class area, it will show that I've submitted an all daily reports, which I did earlier, and I just did an actual intakes report. So I've now submitted both of those reports. Now if I navigate back to the Mastering Nutrition by going to the other tab, I can go back to my assignments. I can see that I have a Personalized Dietary Analysis assignment. I can now come in here and work on this particular assignment. This assignment will tell me what I need to do here for the dietary analysis fat intake, and I will read through the information. It says do a 3-day food record and My Diet Analysis, and then I can start answering the question. So enter the number of grams of fat, round to the first decimal place in the box below. So I need to go back to my report and look at my report here. And let's see, what did I do for my per day calories from fat? How many grams of fat did I do over the 3 days? So let's see. 62.94. So I'll round it up and I'll put in 63 grams. Now I'll submit. And I'll just continue to move through these questions using the report data from the My Diet Analysis reports that I just created and answering my questions. So this is how a student in a connected Blackboard course can navigate over to the Mastering Nutrition side of life and then go over to My Diet Analysis and begin to do their diet tracking, their activity tracking, and their submitting of reports. And then from here, they go back and answer the questions that are tied to their reports. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a good day.